Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Ahmad Fatir Rizky from class B, name 2224 32076. Basic concept of looping in C++. Looping is programming mechanism used to execute one or more statements repeatedly as long as a certain condition is true. In C++, loops help reduce repetitive code, automate tasks, and improve program efficiency and credibility. Loops are commonly used for data processing, calculation, user input handling, and repeat operation. Type of loops in C++. Number 1, for loop. Use when the number of iteration is known in advance. Has three main parts: initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. Flow: initialization, condition check, execution, increment, repeat. Number 2, while loop. Use when the number of iteration is known. Run as long as the condition is true. Suitable for input validation and uncertain processes. Number 3, do while loop. Similar to while loop, but the condition is checked after execution. Ensures the loop runs at least once. Initialization, condition, and termination. Initialization: assign the initial value to the loop control variable. Condition: determine whether the loop continues or stops. Termination: increment or decrement, update the loop variable to eventually stop the loop. Incorrect implementation may cause the loop to stop too early or become an infinite loop. Example: for loop explanation. This program uses the IOStream library for input and output. The main function is the entry point of the program. The loop variable is initialized to 1. The condition 5 control the loop execution, and C++ increase the values after each iteration. The program prints loop number, followed by the value of I until the loop completes. Basic concept of function in C++. A function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task and can be reused. Function make programs more modular, readable, and easy to maintain. A function consists of return type, function name, parameters, function body, component of a function, return type, specifies the data type returned by the function. Function name identifies the function. Parameters input values passed to the function. Statement instruction execute inside the function. Return statement send the result back to the caller. The types of function in C++. Function without parameters and without return value. Function with parameters and without return value. Function without parameters and without value. Function with return value send result back to the caller. Void function do not return any value, usually used for display or procedures. With argument, without argument. Function with argument are more flexible and dynamic. Function without argument perform fixed tasks. Recursive First, iterative. Recursive functions call themselves iterative functions use loop and are more memory efficient. Example explanation function with return value the tambah function in return type receive two parameters, process them, and returns the results in main. The function is called and the results. Example explanation void function. Sapa pengguna function display a welcome message since it is a void function. It does not return any value. Conclusion for loops and functions are fundamental features in C++ that improve program structure, efficiency, and readability. Proper use of looping and function help create clean, modular, and maintainable code.